Grabe ang papuri at paghanga na ibinigay ni Gladys Reyes kay Kim Chu. Narito at panoorin. Hindi nga naman talaga matatawaran ang husay at galing bilang aktres ng ating Chinite princess at multimedia idol superstar na si Kim Chu. Kaya naman deserve niya talaga ang lahat ng blessings at achievements na natatanggap niya sa buhay. Tulad na nga lamang ng recent international award na natanggap niya bilang Outstanding Asian Star sa naganap na Seoul International Drama Awards 2024. Nang dahil nga dito, ay grabe ang ibinigay na papuri at paghanga ng veteran actress na si Miss Gladys Reyes kay Kim Chu na ibinahagi ng veteran actress sa kanyang social media account. At ayon nga kay Miss Gladys, "Congratulations again Kim, for a well-deserved international award. Kim Chu is one of the nicest and respectful that I have worked with. Though we haven't worked in an acting project, every time I see her in showtime, she always has this sweetest smile, very charming indeed." Kayo, anong masasabi nyo tungkol dito? Just comment down below.